Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This year, like every year, we celebrated Ganesh Chathurthi. Like every year, I made a Ganesh idol using air-dried clay. The reason why I opted for air-dried clay is they are eco-friendly, readily available, and it just takes 24 hours for them to dry. After I let it dry in the air for a day, I then colored it with a color of my choice. You can use any other color of your choice. I can put a link for the tutorial for making the murti. I use one of the YouTube tutorial to make this murti, and it came out very beautiful. We then set up the god and then did puja archana every day. After that, I decided to do a visarjan. For visarjan, I took water and put in flowers from a garden. Then we did puja and performed the visarjan, which is immersing the idol in the water. After immersing the idol in the water, it readily dissolves in the water, and here is how it looks after a day. After one day, you can see that the murti has dissolved in water. After it has dissolved in water, we just put the water in our garden, and that's how we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi this year. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Bye bye.